What is Chiricahua? A unique, rugged mountain range in southeastern Arizona and historically home to a band of Apache Native Americans in what is now the county of Cochise, named for the renowned Chiricahua Apache chief. Often hailed as the heart of the real Old West, Cochise County hosts the infamous town of Tombstone and is neighbored by New Mexico to the east and 100 miles of U.S.-Mexico borderlands to the south. It is here a binational culture has flourished for over a century. From mining to farming through legal trade and travel, people from both sides of the borderlands have lived and worked together in this unique community. But Chiricahua is more than a place or a people. It's a purpose. The Civil Rights Act of 1964 paved the way for federally qualified health centers, community-based providers of primary care services in underserved areas. In 1996, Cliff Wetton established the first medical clinic in Elfrida, Arizona to serve his farm workers and anyone in his community regardless of ability to pay, and Chiricahua Community Health Centers was established.
What Chiricahua is, it's a community health clinic that is the safety net clinic for Cochise County. So we see anyone who comes to our door, regardless of their ability to pay, regardless of their insurance status, their immigration status, or their medical condition. We see anyone.
Chiricahua is currently the only federally qualified health center in Cochise County, and we serve roughly 30,000 patients, which is about 1 in every 4 individuals who live in Cochise County, which makes us the largest primary care provider in our region. If we have a patient that isn't coming into the clinic for their preventive visits, we say, could we take a mobile clinic to their house?
We serve an area the size of Connecticut and Rhode Island combined. I don't personally know of any larger mobile program than what Chiricahua has. We have 5 mobile medical and we have 2 mobile dental. That's a large fleet. They have typically 2 exam rooms, a full lab, waiting room, everything that we can do. And the fixed site, we strive to do in our mobiles.
Chiricahua has one of the only mobile dental programs in the state. So we are able to get out into the nooks and crannies of our county.
It goes to Bisbee, it goes, I'm going to Pierce next month in Elfrida. It goes to Benson, Naco.
Our mobile units go to the high schools because they're one of the populations that doesn't like to go into the clinics, and our doors open for them to be able to come onto the mobile unit and get any kind of services that they might need.
In the words of some of our families, they're hope on wheels, because when they see the big blue mobile, they know they're not going to get turned away.
Integrated behavioral health is very unique. Not a lot of clinics do that in this area. And so basically what we're doing is looking at the patient as a whole person and trying to come into the medical appointment and integrate services right then and there on the spot.
We have our hygienists embedded in the medical clinics. So when you bring your child in, they see the medical provider, they see the dental provider, the behavioral health provider, the dietitian, all within that same 30-minute visit.
The extra benefit that we have at Chiricahua is that we have pharmacies here as well.
And at Chiricahua, if somebody needs that medication, then they get it.
My department, the community health workers, we reach to special population, that's migrant farm workers out of the county, McNeil, Elfrida, Wilcox, Pierce, San Simon, Bowie, and we reach out to the homeless population, sexual assault, and domestic violence.
You have to believe to some degree in what we do. We're here to see everybody, and we're here to make less barriers to getting health care, not more.
We are all working hard to make sure that our patients and our community is taken care of.
And I think putting patients first is really what it means to be a Chiricahua employee.
I think of a Chiricahuan as somebody who loves this geography and occasionally is willing to drive an hour and a half to a meeting.
We, Chiricahuans, can provide patients with the best possible quality healthcare, mental health care, dental care, all of it. Chiricahua means health for all.
Chiricahua means health for all.
Chiricahua means health for all.
Chiricahua significa salud para todos.
Chiricahua significa salud para todos.
Chiricahua means health for all.
Chiricahua means health for all.
Chiricahua means health for all.
Chiricahua
is health
for all.
For all.